Hey guys, Mihlali Ntombazana ekhalisa ubaba ka Mihlali Ndamase, and people are not feeling sorry for Mihlali's mother. You know when they say karma does have everyone's address even though the queue is long? Hi, Nkosi yami ziyakhala ziyaboroma right now on social media. So this was posted by Musa Kaula on his Twitter account. If there's one person who deserves a degree in journalism, it's Musa Kaula, and this is what Musa Kaula has to say. Meeting Tobeko, who is in a relationship and also a colleague with Mihlali Ndamase's stepfather, Rene Shitende. Mihlali Ndamase's mother, Phumulani Ndamase Shitende, has paid Ntobeko money so she can stay away from her husband, Rene Shitende. Guys, it is alleged. This was said by Musa Kaula. Guys, people are really happy to see the lady. People went on to say that she's paying her because she doesn't want to lose the bag. Uyena wemomoza ekhalisa ubaba. Yo uyaphela nini unyaka neMihlali on the news. So people are saying that we are not feeling sorry for Mihlali Ndamase's mother because she was there busy supporting her daughter when her daughter was busy with that married man Leroy. Now ziyakhala ziyaboroma, guys. So next time when her daughter does something, she will call her out. She will say, baby girl, this is wrong, find your own man. I mean, she was supporting Mihlali Ndamase, forgetting that she's also a married woman, and the married women need to make sure that their daughter are in the right direction. They don't date married men, guys, unless he's in divorce. You know, he was divorcing his wife. Beside that, you know, so people are saying this is a karma for Mihlali Ndamase's mother. She deserves everything. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? People are really happy for the lady. They say that you did represent us very well. We thank you, Queen. Some are asking whether they can get her number. You know, they want to know where she's from. Yo, hi guys, guys. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself.